हाँ ठीक है, पता है, पकड़ा गया। बट तुम लोग तो जानते हो यार, ई स्पोर्ट्स के बिना मेरा दिल नहीं लगता है एक हफ्ते के लिए भी। तो वेकेशन सब छोड़ो, वो सब पुरानी बातें हैं। बात करते हैं ई स्पोर्ट्स में आज के हफ्ते क्या क्या चल रहा है। शुरू करते हैं पीसी ई स्पोर्ट्स के रेनबो सिक्स सीज के बारे में। सो very recently we just found out that the Rainbow Six Siege World Cup has been announced. 45 countries will be participating in this event, 14 of which are going to be invited directly and 31 will have to qualify through an online qualifier phase. अब इसके बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी नहीं है, बट वी डू नो दैट इंडियन और एपैक रीजन को एक डेडिकेटेड स्लॉट मिल रहा है। दिस इज अमेजिंग न्यूज बिकॉज राइट आफ्टर द वर्ल्ड कप लास्ट ईयर, this is yet another opportunity to help put India on the map. Now, very much like the Overwatch World Cup last year, the Rainbow Six Siege World Cup will also consist and comprise of regions that will be invited. India falls under the APAC region, which will consist a committee of its own. Now, this committee will be in charge of putting together the team, one of which will be a Ubisoft employee, 2 a player or a coach, and 3 an individual from within the community. So we're really hoping for a fair and inclusive system, and by fall next year this committee will be in charge of putting the team together to participate in the World Cup. Now अभी तक फॉर्मेट के डिटेल्स नहीं आए हैं, हमें इतना भी नहीं पता कि ये टूर्नामेंट ऑनलाइन होने वाला है या ऑफलाइन। द लोकेशन ऑफ दिस इवेंट हैज आल्सो नॉट बीन रिवील्ड, बट कंसिडरिंग ऑल द मेजर इवेंट्स हैव टेकन पार्ट इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका फॉर रेनबो सिक्स सीज, my guess is potentially that's where we'll see the Rainbow Six Siege World Cup take place. We're super hyped because Rainbow Six Siege has consistently proven themselves to be a worthy competitor in the PC esports space. देखते हैं क्या होता है। Now, another tournament that's going on right now is the Agni series by Nordwind Gaming. We are down to our second qualifier, Velocity Gaming, obviously the favorites to win this one, having not participated in the last one, which God Squad ended up winning. Another big tournament going on right now is the Esports Club Challenger series. Now we are down to our second challengers with 1.5 lakhs up for grabs, and again Velocity Gaming complete favorites to take this one, but this time Noble.gg are off to a flying start, beating out Indian Civitas in the first round 13-0. वैसे ग्लोबली स्पोर्ट्स का भी परफॉर्मेंस इतना खराब नहीं रहा है यार, 13-0। आ जाना अगले राउंड देखने। Now the world of Valorant isn't just doing well within the country. कंट्री के बाहर इतने सारे टूर्नामेंट्स होस्ट हो रहे हैं ना, स्पेशली द इग्निशन सीरीज। Most recent of all, Nerd Street Gamers hosted the FTW Summer Showdown, which was a $50,000 prize pool, and a huge congratulations to Team Magical, who ended up taking this event. $25,000 to their kitty. They beat out Team GX3 in the final of the event, and they had a phenomenal performance in the group stage with 65 rounds to their name, losing out only 8 rounds in the entire tournament. Now, just to let you guys know that Team Magical is an all-girls team, and with the kind of performance they showed, I wouldn't count it out for any org to go after them. And they're not a pushover either, because most of them are immortal, if not radiant rank. So any org out there that's looking for a team, great opportunity. Now इस हफ्ते Rainbow Six Siege और Valorant के अलावा एक और गेम स्पॉटलाइट में उतरी है, Rocket League. Now the amount of interest within Indian streamers for Rocket League has gone up tenfold since PUBG got banned. Mortal streamed it, Scout streamed it, Ketan, Dynamo, all these guys have had successful streams with it as well. With all that's going on in the world of Rocket League right now, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बात करना तो बनता है यार. Now not many people know this, but last year Epic Games bought out the publisher of Rocket League, Psyonix. Now with the game going free to play on the 23rd of September, it's also going to be making a debut on the Epic Games Store. Even on the Nintendo Switch and the PSP, you no longer are going to need a subscription to play the game online, which means there's going to be a ton of new competitive players coming into the Rocket League ecosystem. And while all of this works in their favor, the added benefit of a collaboration with someone like Fortnite is really going to take things to the next level. Yes, the Llama Rama event has been announced in collaboration with Fortnite. We don't have too many details on the event just yet, but we know that Epic Games plan on giving away $10 as a coupon code for anybody that downloads Rocket League from the Epic Games Store. You can use this $10 coupon code on any purchase more than $15. काफी अच्छी स्कीम है Epic वालों. With regards to how insane the recent Fortnite events have been, I have huge hopes for this collaborative effort. Now, me personally, I'm super excited for Rocket League and what it brings to the Indian ecosystem for esports. And think about it. Cars playing football, and they turn that into an esports. ये भी try करके देख लेते हैं यार. Now, with how unique esports titles are getting all around the world, I'm not surprised that Fall Guys has started to make its way into the esports ecosystem as well. Nodwin Gaming put out a teaser. We're probably going to be seeing a Fall Guys tournament really soon. Check out their page for more details. Now, it's not just PC gaming that's on the news this week. I'm so hyped to tell you guys this. We finally have a confirmation on the pricing on the PS5. $499 for the disc edition and $399 if you want to go for the digital edition, which is disc free. Now, the digital version is something that I would definitely recommend for somebody that's looking to cross-platform. Now, the PS5 goes live in select countries on the 12th of November, and for the rest of the world, we'll have our hands on it on the 19th of November. Even the esports audience got to see something new. Now, guys, brace yourself. Drum roll, please. Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War gameplay footage was also revealed, and we got to know that the PS5 console release will also bring in the alpha version of the game, which will be playable for everybody. So huge props there, PlayStation. Oh wait, there's one more part about Fortnite, which is going to come completely optimized for the PS5. Now, pre-orders have already begun and people all over the world are rushing to make sure they get their hands on release. Now, viewership crossed 4.5 million views for this showcase event across Facebook Gaming, YouTube and Twitch, which goes to tell you that audience has been waiting for this for a long time. Now, what I want to see more than anything else is how Microsoft and Xbox respond to this announcement. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. आज के दिन में चाहे वो PC गेमिंग हो, चाहे वो console हो, चाहे वो mobile game हो, as a whole, esports and video games are thriving beyond belief, and it's the day and age of the content creator, the proverbial streamer, and the biggest streamer of the lot, Ninja, has finally signed this exclusivity deal with Twitch. Yes, Ninja, after a stint over at YouTube, he had almost taken an offer from Facebook Gaming for some $60 million a year deal. He is now exclusive on Twitch. Congratulations, Ninja, you deserve nothing but good things. Now, Ninja is coming back to a community of more than 15 million followers on Twitch and 24 million subscribers on YouTube. Can't wait to see what's in store for him next. With regards to the game that he plays, Fortnite, guys, an interesting fact, the amount of time people have spent playing Fortnite, which is right now 10.4 million years, is more than the amount of time humanity has existed on Earth. So the next time you ask yourself what we are all doing with our lives, I guess we are all just playing video games. Before you tune out, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to share this video with all your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Chalo, bye.